Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify escrow analysis with Bank of America detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to Bank of America's official website. Log into your online banking account with your username and password. Once logged in, locate the section titled Accounts on the dashboard. Click on the account associated with your escrow analysis. Scroll down to find the escrow or mortgage options in the account details. Select the escrow analysis link to view your escrow account information. Review the summary of your escrow account, including the balance and payment history. Look for any recent escrow analysis statements provided by Bank of America. Download or open the most recent escrow analysis statement for detailed review. Examine the statement for key components, such as property taxes and insurance costs. Verify the amounts listed against your expected expenses for the year. Check for any changes in your monthly payment and understand the reasons behind them. If there are discrepancies, take note of the specific amounts and categories. Gather any relevant documents that support your claims, such as tax bills or insurance statements. Contact Bank of America's customer service through the support options available online. Provide them with your account details and explain the discrepancies you identified. Follow their guidance on resolving the issue and ask for clarification if needed. Keep track of any reference numbers or case details for future follow-up. Review any adjustments to your escrow analysis after Bank of America processes your inquiry. Stay informed about future escrow analyses by setting reminders for review. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.